Alright, so for today's video, this is going to be my first official FTP or functional threshold power test. I'm probably not going to have a lot of footage of me actually riding it because I don't want to try to film myself just going hard with my GoPro on. I just want to focus on just trying to put out consistent power. Now, I'm not going for a certain figure number, I'm basically just going for a baseline. Now, I can't do the ideal test where I actually sit on a trainer because I don't currently own one. I actually lent it to my parents. So even though it's not going to be ideal conditions and my numbers might be a little off, I'll at least know that I can measure a power difference since I'm doing the same terrain. So the differentials that might happen because of the slight downhill and uphill sections under overpasses should all be replicated the second time I do this to see if I've actually gained any power after all this. So here we go. Like I said, don't expect a lot of footage of me hitting the pain cave, but we'll talk after. So we're on the trail, it's me and Mario. We're gonna do a nice 15 to 20 minute warm up and then do a kind of gradual build into the 20-minute FTP test. I've done some research and a lot of them say you wanna do basically a 30-minute test but only count the last 20. So the first 10 minutes you don't wanna go as hard as you normally would, but that's supposed to get you kind of built up to it to get a more accurate number for a 20-minute test compared to a 45-minute. So if you can hear any of this, because it is kind of windy today, here we go. All right, so the warm-up's all done. We're just pedaling our legs. We're getting ready for the 20-minute effort. And not looking forward to the pain cave, but oh yeah, this is how you get better. Maybe, probably not. All right. Finish. God, and here comes Mario. Oh man, that was rough. But I got the full 20-minute flat. How you feeling, Mario? Dude. That's about right. So now, we're gonna catch our breath, do a soft pedal, and then cry about how low our wattage is. So thanks for watching this really short video on me doing my first FTP test. Make sure to subscribe so you can watch me die another day.